So hi, actually I'm getting bored in working on daily client requirements. So I decided to do something exciting today. So let's design a logo for a fictional brand. So the very first step to get started, we need to think about the fictional brand that excites me to design a logo for it. I think it must be a farm company or a fruit company. I want to play with the colors. The brand must give us a colorful vibe and a fresh vibe. So let's think about it. Wait a minute, why are we thinking about it when we have someone to think about it? So let's go there. Introducing Chat GPT. Well, you all must be aware of the Chat GPT, as you just need to give input and it replies back very quickly. I directly jump onto the Chat GPT and ask Chat GPT to suggest me a fictional brand for a brand identity design. But I've got some technology and innovation company and I don't want to design a technology company logo, right? As I told you earlier, I would like to design logo for a farming or food company. So I correct my input that suggest me a fictional brand related to farming for brand identity design, and this is what we got. How about the fictional brand Harvest Heaven? Harvest Heaven can be positioned as a sustainable and organic farming company that focus on providing fresh, high quality, authenticity or some. So I'm gonna make this brand as a fruit company. So I like the name Harvest Heaven. So I think the Harvest Heaven is a company that provides fresh fruits in various cities, provides fresh fruits directly to your doorstep, and this company deliver fruits to their doorstep by their own. So without wasting time, I directly jump onto the Millinot and collect all the information and create some mood board. And the description we have got from the Chat GPT, I note it down and create a task list like sketching, logo design, pattern, presentation, and more. So after collecting all the information, I directly jump onto the first step. First and the main step is sketching. Let's go. I would like to make this logo more of a text base, so I've created some rough sketches on a notepad. So let's jump onto the Illustrator and vectorize the logo. As this is a fruit company, so the logo must give a natural vibe. So I've added the leaf element into the ad. And while designing, I've noticed that the letter E in the harvest is making it bigger than the below text heaven. So I've removed the E letter from the harvest because it also pronunciate harvest after removing the E as well. So there's no big impact into this, but after removing the letter E, our logo looks more iconic and more cool. So I've just removed it. After all of that, I've started colorizing the logo and creating the mood board and the pattern thing and more. So here's the result. Hope you like it. See.